What's up, everybody? This is the welding machine, guys, coming back to you guys with a video. Right now we are using the LN25 to tack in some braces. Building, sorry. We're using the LN25 hooked up to the generator. There's the LN25 with the gas. Yeah, I know. Hey, you shouldn't use 035 solid MIG wire to the weld on the building. Well, bro, I'm stick welding it. This is just a tack. You get them up a whole lot faster doing it that way than I would stick welding it, because it'd take forever. At least I can get them all up and weld them all up. There you go, LN25. We're using that on the building. We're using regular solid wire right now because I don't have flux right now, but I will get it. Right now we're putting up the angle for the building, so let's get What's up, y'all? This is the welding machine, guys. We have made an error on this wall. Everything's off by 4 inches. So I'm gonna cut every angle off to make it the same. I'll show you. Off by 4 inches if you compare it to the other side. Check twice before you start, because I wish I would have checked twice. We'll get back to it, y'all. I'm about to cut this stuff off. All right, y'all, so we're back. We got to do some cutting. I'm not trying. We got to cut all the angles that we put on there. Not the other side, but the side I just put on. Kind of sad about it. Let me grab the headphones. We got our bucket of tools. Make our way all the way back to the back. It's 5 o'clock, so shade is a big factor. Got the dog over there. There's our buddy pal over there. We got birds out, cats in the building. Now we gotta cut the angle off. I'm not used to this. So that side is right, that side is wrong. It's off by 4 inches. So we gotta do what we gotta do and cut it down. Guys, this is what, if you don't check twice, this is what happens. Yeah, my fault. But in the meantime, we got a new grinder from Harbor Freight. You may remember this from previous videos. This is the same grinder. Don't use 2 screw-on parts for a grinder because then it locks in and then you can't take it back off. So thank God I had the receipt and I had them give me another one. I just ripped the box. So we don't need none of this. All we need is the grinder, the wrench, and the tool. So y'all stay tuned. Look at it. We cut all the angle off. I'm gonna show you. We cut them all off. Now we're gonna go ahead and start fresh. I'm gonna work down the line right here with the LN25.